This is a note-taking session on integers. Make sure you have your note-taking supplies ready to go. First, we need to define our term. Our term is integer. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number. A whole number includes counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It does include 0. It also includes the negatives of those counting numbers. -4, -3, -2, -1. As an integer is not a partial number, it does not include fractions or decimals. An integer is a whole number and not a partial number, so no fractions or decimals. We have two types of integers. We have a positive integer, which is your counting number. We also have negative integers, which are negative of the counting numbers, as seen here and above. Now that we know what an integer is and we can define it, it is time to manipulate the numbers. So how are we going to do this? We're going to see multiple problems with this. We're going to see addition, we'll see subtraction, multiplication. Your examples are over here in each section here. We will also see division. We will also be using graphing. We will be using different types of graphs, a number line and a graphing plane. Before we get into those, what is a graph? A graph is a plotted value on a chart. So you're plotting a value or values on a chart. Number line is your basic. Pretty sure everybody has seen the number line here. Horizontal number line. Then we go into a graphing plane. It has your horizontal graph line right there, and then also a vertical one. So you can take your notes on it, make sure it's in your notebook. If you are aware of these and you're privy to how they work and how to use them, that's great. If not, don't worry about it. No sweat. Put it in your notebook. We'll discuss it and we'll learn about it later on. This is just for reference.